Hello, in front of me I've got ROBOROCK Qrevo Curv. In this video I'll show you how to clean tray module. At the beginning, take a look inside the charging dock. Right here we've got the tray module. We can remove it, and also we can remove the second part. Now we've removed it. Remove cleaning tray and filter from the module and then rinse them with water. Here we've got the cleaning tray and here we've got the module with filter. Next, reinstall the filter and cleaning tray. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.